Hello sa inyong lahat! My name is Ezekiel Cobales and welcome to Meme Review. Yes, for after so many months, bumalik ulit tayo sa bagong episode ng Meme Review with, this is technically not memes, but this is the issues of Philippines. Wow, I am so late with today's issue na ngayon ko lang to upload because I am such an incompetent. Okay, so technically, maraming issues dito ngayon sa atin. Before we start this video, do not forget to leave a like. Why am I doing this? Subscribe for more videos like this one and let's start. Follow me on Twitter by the way at Ezekiel Buknoy. Why? Oh why? You made a very bad mistake. Hindi ko alam kung bakit mo to ginawa. Technically, hindi ko pa siya makikilala hanggat hindi ko pa nakikita tong viral na video niya. Technically, ininsulto niya or napahiya niya yung isang tricycle driver. And para makita natin, let's just watch this one and let's see for ourselves kung paano katanga ang kanyang ginawa. Hindi ko pa ito napapanood. Let's just do this.
Tsaka, wala naman mali sa pangangabit eh. As long as hindi nyo binabawasan yung sweldo ng mga nanay namin, mga tatay namin.
What the f***? Okay, first of all, di pala to yung sa tricycle driver, but talking about mistresses, really?
Dapat hindi kayo abusado kung tawagin. Yun yan.
Ang pangit ng ugali mo. Okay, so ito na yung video. Let's see kung anong sinabi niya.
Gusto ko talaga sabihin sa inyo is, wag kayong sumukong mangarap. Wag kayong sumuko na tuparin yung mga pangarap ninyo. Kasi kung hindi kayo magsusumikap sa buhay, wala kayong mararating tulad nito. Kuya,
Ano tulad nito?
hi ka sa vlog ko. Hello! Yan kuya, sikat ka na! Pero ang gusto ko talaga sabihin sa inyo is,
Bakit ako nakikringe at the same time gusto ko siyang... Bakit mo kailangan sabihin yon? Lahat ng tao merong pangarap. Lahat ng tao kayang mag-aral. Lahat ng tao may sariling choices sa kanilang buhay. Pero ang mga sinasabi mo, wag sumukong mangarap, okay yon. Pero ang mga sinasabi mong kailangan mo sundin yung pangarap mo dahil wala kang mararating na matino kung parang nag-chill ka lang sa buhay mo. Pero sasabihin mo ng walang mararating tulad nito, tapos papakita mo pa yung tao na naghahanap buhay gamit ang tricycle. Isang malaking mali lang naman yun. Alam mo, influencer ka sa social media, nagva-vlog ka, marami nanonood sa'yo, pero please, huwag mo naman sabihin yung ganun because maraming tao na naghahanap buhay, sariling sikap nila dahil di sila nakapag-aral or something na may problema sila sa kanilang buhay, kaya ganun yung narating nila. Pero sabihin mo sa ganun, no, dude, stop.
Stop it. Get some help.
At here we are, sinabi niya na a compilation of Buknoy, true apology. Well, here we go.
N-word na sinabi ko, hindi ko alam, wala akong alam. Kahit ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung N-word na sinasabi niya na sa video.
wala akong kaalam-alam. Sa mga nagagalit sa akin kung ba't di ako mag-google, wala akong time, sobrang busy ko sa buhay, marami rin akong problema.
Ang gusto lang po sa
So, technically sinabi din niya yung N-word. Fuck you, bitch. Buknoy, apology. Gumawa siya ng apology video ngayon. And sincerely apologize 12 hours ago as this video is being recorded. And let's see.
Gusto ko lamang humingi ng tawad sa mga nagawa kong kasalanan dahil inaamin ko po na mali ako sa part na hindi ko nilinaw yung sinasabi ko, hindi ko in-emphasize kung ano yung gusto ko sabihin, pero ayun po.
Mag-a-apologize ka. Pagtapos mo mag-apologize, ramdam naming mga manonood sa apology video mo na ginawa mo dahil sa kasalanan mo, parang pilit. Ha? Totoo naman parang pilit yung sinasabi mo na lahat kasalanan ko, feel ko na mali yung sinabi ko, hindi ko nilinaw yung sinabi ko, pero no, sinabi mo na. At saka sa sobrang tagal na may issue ka at ngayon ka lang gagawa ng apology video, it feels like na scripted to. It feels like na dapat after one day na magkaroon ka ng issue sa social media, nakasabi ka ng mali sa tao, katulad ng yun nga, sinasabing mga taong walang narating sa buhay katulad nito, tas bibidyoan mo pa yung naka-tricycle na nagda-drive. One day after, gawa ka na agad ng apology video.
Gusto ko lang humingi ng apology
I am sincerely defending myself. Yep, that should be the title.
na pasensya na ho sa lahat ng nagawa ko. or sa mga nagawa ko, gusto ko lang sana linawin sa inyo na hindi po ako nagsasalita against tricycle drivers, sa mga nasaktan, na-offend, nagalit.
Hindi lang tricycle drivers ang na-offend mo. Sinabi mong hindi katulad nito. Ibig sabihin, tinuturo mo yung mga drivers with tricycle drivers with yung mga mabababang klase ng trabaho. Yun yung sinasabi mo na yun yung mararating na mga tao kung hindi sila nagsikap katulad nito. Pero hindi mo naman alam kung ano yung backstory ng taong yun kung bakit yun yung naging trabaho niya. Diba? It's just, dapat hindi mo na lang
Yes, na bad trip, na buwiset, at syempre na down na tricycle drivers. Wala po akong minamaliit. Sa video
Wala daw
natin
siyang
ngayon, kung panonoorin niyo po yung vlog ko,
Vlog!
malalaman niyo po kung ano yun. Pero kung paniniwalaan niyo po kung ano yung mga video na kumakalat ngayon, wala na po akong magagawa. Pero ang katotohanan dun po is, wala akong sinasabing mali na
Oh,
gusto kong malaman nyo na wala.
Sinasabi mo din yung about sa mga kabit? No! Bakit ka okay doon? Hanggat okay lang sa'yo, hanggat hindi nauubos pa. No, just no. Pangalan ng video na to is Meme Review, but it's technically nagalit ako sa unang meme, so I'm gonna rate it for about, sa galit ko, it's 10 out of 10. For memes, it's 1 out of 10. Next meme, Matteo Guricelli. Kung meron kang PS4, oh my god, naalala ko na naman. Kung meron kang PS4, hahawakan mo siya ng sobrang, na mayroong pagmamahal. Kung hindi nyo pa nakikita yung unboxing ni Matteo, it's just, are you doing, man? Let's see, it's just, no. It's on this one.
I was like, when
Look
I was
at this dislike and
8 years
like
old, 9
ratio,
years old.
Jesus
After that,
Christ.
I never had a PlayStation ever.
Okay,
My
so,
brother,
wala
he got
siyang
a PS4
PlayStation
and bought
daw.
it for me.
But look at this monstrosity, man.
And yeah, he loves it. And
Meron
I
siyang
think
Last of Us
because
at God of War,
he
my
went
most favorite
party,
games, kahit di ko pa siya nalalaro.
He persuaded me to get a PlayStation.
Look at
So,
this, no!
Here it is. I got a PlayStation.
Patay yung aso, galit na.
So, I'm not really good at unboxing this It's a 2-year Sony Philippines warranty. Please keep the sleeve for extended warranty service. Alright.
No!
PS4, baby.
And technically, dahil sa video na to, sobrang daming memes na lumabas sa internet ngayon. And it's a lot. It has a lot. A lot. Okay, so we have Matteo Guricelli had a mental breakdown.
Alright, guys, what do we have here? We're gonna be unboxing something very cool.
Mga Pinoy talaga.
We've got. Let me take this out. Ta-da!
No! Don't do that again,
I
please.
tweeted,
Fuck
I
PS5.
want PS4. And I was asking people where to get PS4. I got a PS4. So the PS4 I decided to get was PS4. I'm having it. Say, comes with.
No. Technically, Matteo Guricelli, man. Jesus Christ. And we have a much shorter video.
Ago, I
And it's a
tweeted in my
Guricelli
Instagram
unboxing.
story, I wanted a PS4, and I was asking
The
people where to
Guricelli
get PS4.
unboxing.
Anyways, I got a PS4.
Oh, it's Bitoy. Ha? Makikita mo kung gaano kaingat si Bitoy at gaano ka walang kwentang tao si Matteo. Look at that, it's so classy, dude. That's how you unbox.
And yeah, he loves it, and I think because of the
No,
ECQ
don't
and
show. Oh my god, makikita ko na naman.
he
Oh, my heart, my soul.
persuaded me to get
I feel my heart
PlayStation, so
crack.
Here it is. I got a PlayStation. 2-year Sony Philippines warranty. Please keep the sleeve for extended warranty
Yep.
service.
Alam din yan.
I broke
Okay.
it. Sorry. Anyways,
Look at that, pinupunasan niya. Oh my god. Ito ang tama. Ito yung tama.
oh, The Last of Us. Dude, it's just like to be sold as a bundle. Ooh. Dude. Okay, PlayStation Plus. Free games.
Technically, makikita niyo sa personality ng tao kung gaano kaayos yung tao at kung ano yung ugali niya batay sa pagbubukas niya ng gamit.
Alright,
No, my-
guys, what do we have here? We're gonna be unboxing something very cool. We've got So a few weeks ago, I made my Instagram story on PS4, and I was asking people where to get PS4.
No,
Anyways,
Bitoy, wag kang
I
umiyak.
got a PS4. So the PS4, I decided. Weeks ago, I made my Instagram story.
1 terabyte din
on
pala yun. Oh my
PS4.
God.
And I was last PlayStation I've ever had in my life was the PlayStation.
Pengeng pake! Meron ba kayong pake dyan? Pengeng naman pake, oh! Dito
May
palagay
lalo
ng
si
pake.
Paulol
Dito
palagi
basta.
na lang. And that's just that. It's like, ang sakit lang sa puso na ganon. So, for a meme, it's going to be 6 out of 10. For my anger issues, it's 9 out of 10. And wala pa rin makakatalo sa Buknoy issue. We have Secretary Harry Roque Lutang moment. Wow, and natalo na natin yung UP, guys.
The last day na pala, ano bang sinasabi ko? Wala na po, panalo na tayo. We beat the UP prediction po. We
Yes!
beat it. So congratulations, Philippines.
Nanalo tayo!
Let's do it again in July. So we are winning, Ross, and I've said, ang titignan natin, declining mortality, yung case doubling rate.
Ito, wala na po, panalo na tayo. No, you don't do that, man. You do not do that. And we have Secretary Harry Roque Lutang moment. And technically, this is the best meme we have.
Secretary Roque, thank you for your time, sir.
Eh!
Secretary Roque.
Sige, TikTok pa. Gawin mo lang yan. Wag mo. Pumukha lang siyang tanga.
Secretary Roque, can you hear me?
Oh my God, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Yay! Yay, Unipack! Oh boy, yan sa ng pangako. Pilipino tayo eh.
Alright, doesn't seem like the Secretary can hear me right now. We're gonna try to get him back. Secretary Roque.
Paano kung panaginip lang pala ang lahat?
What if it's all just a dream? No, not this! No! Crossover meme! No! 13,000! No!
Presidential spokesperson.
Okay, oh, it's the
Secretary
same
Roque,
format.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Anong iniisip niyo sa panahon? Gusto ko malaman kung anong backstory na ito. Oh! Wow!
Harry Roque. Secretary Roque, thank you for your time, sir.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Secretary Roque. Secretary Roque, can you hear me?
No! Wag kang gawanda, please!
Secretary Roque. Secretary Roque, can you hear me? Secretary Roque.
Muling nanalo ang Pilipinas. Congratulations po sa ating lahat.
1,000 plus na lang po ang ating backlog, which means we did not hit 40,000 or we will not hit 40,000 by end of June, no? Which is only a few days, which is what, 2 days? 1 day. Today's the last day na pala. Ano bang sinasabi ko? Wala na po. Panalo na tayo. We beat the UP prediction po. We beat it. So, congratulations, Philippines. Let's do it again in July. So, we are winning.
Wala na po. GG. Yup, GG na. Ako, Budoy. For memes, it's going to be 8 out of 10. For my anger issues, it's going to be 8 out of 10. Finger and clover. Yung kamay mo!
Nagagawa ng inumin na to? Nag-iiba ang ihip ng hangin sa inyo?
Hindi naman. Okay, next question po.
Oh no, yung pambansang shield! Oh no, what are you doing?
Hindi kasi sila.
Jesus Christ.
Nasa kamay mo ang diskarte't paraan.
Nasa kamay mo ang sarap ng buhay.
Nasa kamay mo ang magic, may sarap at aroma ng dagdag onion,
Fuck's sake,
garlic,
dude.
real meat at spices.
God damn
All in
it,
one
man.
level Maggi Magic Sarap.
Why? AIS students, go away for the extra meme. So, I'm gonna rate this meme Clover out of 10. Meme review. Jesus Christ.